We coming around the grain bins when we come. There, that's my new song. Did a full loop around the bins, coming back, getting ready for the magical moment of picking up the head. This is like the most fun thing to do, is to pick the head up off the cart, because I have a cart, trust me. It's like a big step up from going around with the TR70s, always having to take the heads on the combine. So a cart is a big step up. The lower latch pins, pull them out.
What?
The lower attachment pin holes, pull them out and make sure they're down. Because I have like, yeah, if those are in too far, they'll actually almost get caught with the head underneath. Yeah, I can see the head unfortunately has faded a wee bit from its outdoor big barn storage. But like I said, I finally got it in, so that is delightful. And hopefully it will maintain that same storage position right there next to the combine, so it's all in. But we did really good this year. If remember, like working around the combine, the bean planter is now inside. It hasn't been inside ever while we've owned it because it's been so wide. Okay, we see the weld point on the beam there. We see our blue stripes, so we are very, very centered. We're coming up in a little high. I didn't want to be too low. We're coming in extra high. Okay, we're in. It should be mine. Oh, would you stop rolling? Okay, well.
Go, I think.
Yeah. Okay, well, we claim this grain table is ours. Lateral tilt is tilting. Let Dad pull away. We'll set this down some, start latching things up. That way we're not reaching over our heads. About there, because we got to get underneath for some of this stuff. We can put these pins in and whatnot. I know every year I make a video about putting the bean head on. I just like it so much. We turn that, and that one latched pretty good. We got to put the drive shaft, and then these lower pins. See, we did it. We did it right there. I knew it. That's what I wanted to avoid. It's wedged right there, and hopefully there's not too much weight on it. With a hammer, I might be able to get it free. I was afraid of that. You're supposed to avoid that. Okay, let's see how we can misuse a claw hammer. Come on. I need a bigger pry bar to get that out of there, and definitely not a claw hammer. I might be able to set it down and get it loose. Let's see if that works. But first, I should make sure the top latches, because when I set it down, the top could try to slightly roll away. Okay, everybody down. Just need the bottom to separate. I hope that's enough. We are touching. I get to pretend to be a monkey. Oh, now this is really tight. There we go. That's all we needed. Let's just get a little bit of weight off that. Now the, oh, well. And we weren't too far away to get that pin in. Marvelous. This hose is going to come over here. And this one's going to go up top. For our real drive. Oh, and thank you, Ford New Holland. Ford had it all figured out with these easy push-pull connectors, and I need a rag. Drive shaft way down hidden here. And the dumb thing is these only go turn off. But the head turns so easily by hand. And we can reposition. These drive shafts are set up that there's only one notch instead of having one on every spline. Only one spline has a notch. But it doesn't keep the sickle timed or nothing. Sickle's out of time, it's belt drive, it's not going to stay in time. Do you see the pin for the bottom on the ground there? I might have to lift it up. You see it? You can't hear me. Pretty sure I left it over there. Number one goal was not, oh. Never mind, here you go. I had it. I was keeping it safe on my side with the hammer. Let me get all the schmutz off. I pulled this out so I could get back there to grease because the loop was just hanging in the way. Perfect. What?
Top down or bottom up?
I usually go bottom up, but this side I have to go bottom up. And then this little guy is the lift for the reel, which I'm gonna kill myself for not putting the plug back in. That was dumb. That was dumb. Why didn't I put the plug back in? Last thing I had on this was the bean heads, so I don't know how I got so dusty just sitting there in the barn. That is a good point now that I think of it. Because I unfortunately ran that downed... No, I didn't. Never mind. We did the down corn before we did the standing corn here in like March, April time frame. Okay, let's see how Dad's doing. We did adjust the fore and aft. We don't have the hydraulic adjustment, but we did bring it out, as you can see, about 2 inches. You need to turn it?
No, I got it turned.
Oh, okay. Won't slide?
I just can't get the pin to go back in now.
Oh.
Had it in before.
Let's see.
And I put it on in the wrong rotation.
Yeah, that's all our electrical.
Come on. Here, I'll let you mess with it. On to where it's locked.
Yeah.
I think I got it in the right spot.
Okay. The most important part is the... Oh, yes. Cat. Stupid little bugs. Stupid little bugs. Well, that's going to be a nuisance. Need to find a piece of wire. Now it's lined up right. There. Went right on. I don't know how I did that. Found a lovely little piece of wire. Try to dig so it falls out. They just made a cap, but they probably tried to lay their eggs or something stupid. So the connection will just be horrendous in here. Because somehow blowing in will get it to come back out. Oh, this one too. What little monkey? I got the wire, or some wire. Are we gonna need connection grease, you think?
No.
There's no caps for these. troubles before. How much do you think we got to play with it? Think it's clean enough?
Well, if it slides together.
Yeah, that one slid together.
Alright.
Find out when we flip the switch.
Your top one. Top pin dropped in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know, it's getting dark. Stupid daylight savings time. Well, it's time to hit the auto header height. Okay, we went down. Let's go up, but I gotta get it tilted really crazy to one side or something. There we go. That's a lot of tilt. There we go. That adjusted some. That one side could be a little lower. It's in range. Let's try it the other way. We're up. Lateral tilt way awkward right. And actually that almost works better for how we're sitting here because I'm sure one front tire's in a hole. It goes down and it stops. There we go. Have to play with it a little bit. Sometimes the lateral is a little fun, but the up and down works good.